This is how you use text-to-speech on TikTok using iPhone. Go ahead and open up the TikTok app. All right, as soon as you open it, in the bottom middle, there's gonna be this plus icon. We're gonna press on that to start a new video. Now, in order for text-to-speech to work, you're gonna have to record a video first or upload a video. So I'm just gonna do a test video right now. All right, we have our video. We're gonna go ahead and click this check mark in the bottom right to move on. All right, now that we have our video that we recorded, in the top right, there's gonna be a capital A and a lowercase a. We're gonna press on that. This is how you add text. So add whatever text that you like. I'm just gonna put, this is a test text, like that. And I'm gonna customize it a little bit. I'll do a box, just like that. Position it how you want. I want it right there. And now we're gonna press the text that we just created. And they're gonna see the option that says text to speech. We're gonna press on that.
This is a test text.
And then this is how the speech comes into play.
This is a test text.
We have a couple options here.
This is a test text.
Use any option, but I'm just gonna go with Jesse.
This is a test text.
Top right, click done.
This.
Go next. And now to preview your video before you post it, we're gonna press the video itself in the top right, like that.
This is a test text.
And it seems to be working. That is how you use text to speech on TikTok using iPhone.